every car here. Yo, bro, line me up. Again, ran through.
Hey, hey, yo. Oh, welcome back, YouTube. Happy evening, happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Things are doing good here. Nothing to complain about. Why do we have our high beams on? Disregard all the lights we got. I can explain. We don't have a passenger seat. We're doing some testing right now. Undisclosed company that we're doing some TCU testing. Trying to just see if we can get some improvements on the RS. We obviously are still on stock turbos, downpipes, intake, and a high pressure fuel pump piston upgrade, but we just want to dance a little bit. So we're on our way to Mexico. We're gonna play around. We're gonna see who we can have some fun with. And oh, got him. I saw that guy earlier, dude. They are out tonight, so we got to be a little safe. But Mexican police, bro, they don't mess around. So we're gonna play around a little bit tonight. I want to get some good comparisons, some cars that I know that are actually like an equal playing ground, and hopefully the RS can come out on top, because as of right now, I think it's just it's a little behind from what it usually is, but we'll find out. We'll get there. But anyways, let's get it going. All right, here's a hoping that I can actually hold this off. I've raced his Mustang before, and it was actually a really good race. I got him by a few cars, but we're still tinkering with the car right now, so I hope it's not so bad that I take an L on this. But we'll see. We'll see. Do you guys want to try that shit show again?
Maybe like shit show again?
Can I not hit shoulder this time?
Yeah, that was a shit show. So you and I were supposed to run.
Yeah.
We were supposed to do a 60.
And then,
I don't know if I was supposed to race you or not. Who the fuck were you racing?
Bro, I showed up. I had to hit shoulder because this guy was on.
I went in the shoulder first because I was like,
I hit breakdown lane.
I had a minivan up my asshole.
Dude, once I hit breakdown lane, all this shit stuck to my tires. And when I floored it, it just shot 100 things at it.
Bro, yo.
Big turbo, maybe stop. I'm gonna guess.
I just don't know anything about this Saab.
Oh, I know it's W.
I just don't know how it performs. Well, okay, I don't know. Yeah, I see it out of the hood.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it out of the hood. Yeah.
Sticking out the
Yeah. I mean, yeah, race the Mustang, and I'll see how it does, and I'll race on that. I gotta see how he does with the Mustang.
Sticking out the fucking hood.
Nah, bro, it's the alternator.
All right, bet. You know what? Dig it. We'll do a dig. We'll do a dig.
See what I told you, bro?
Not with that one. That don't make sense. That's a front wheel drive car, bro.
I know. I need everything I got. I'm waiting. I don't race for money, bro. I don't play that shit. I don't got a gambling problem.
You're gonna roll if you want.
Yeah. Want that? I'll play. I'll go.
Just run every car here. Yo, bro, line me up. Again, ran through.
Hey, hey, yo.
What did he say?
She recording? She recording?
Boom, bitch.
White boy gets ready.
Loves fat bitches. I don't know, man. I don't think he's gonna get you like we think he is. I say 3 cars. Take me out of the car, you're even closer. How much fuel you got? Holy fuck, 3 quarters? 3 quarters of a tank, dude? You ride on a quarter, you're probably right next to him. let's get after it. I smell oil! I mean, I smelled oil, that's all I know.
Was that vibrating?
Oh, good. You can... Oh, they would shut it off. So it popped out?
Yeah.
No.
Told you to.
Gentlemen and lady, team effort. There it is. There it is. Just,
I provided the blade.
what?
I said I provided the blade.
That's it.
Mad water in that shit.
Good race! And there you have it, another successful evening. Successful, why can't I say that word? In Mexico. Usually it's a good night. Usually there's some little bit of crap talking, poop talking, whatever you want to say. Some people race for money. Some people race for fun. I like to race for fun. I just do this because I enjoy it. I like being the oddball. I have the RS5. I have the only RS5 that I know of that's doing this. And so far, she's doing pretty good. But I figured I'd take you guys a little trip in Mexico and show you the fun weekends that we have. But thanks for joining. We'll see you guys soon. We'll get another video pumping out. I'm thinking I'm going to have to share you guys my dyno results. But anyways, have a great week. We'll talk soon.